Assalamu alaikum friends. Today my topic is building and parts of building. Let's start our topic. Dear friends, first of all we have to know what is building. In civil engineering, this is the most important video. Building. Actually, building is a structure. Building is a structure which are made up of materials, built up of material, built with material. A building consists of different types of structural member. Building consists of different structural member. Structural members. A building consists of different structural members. It may be foundation, beam, column, slab, lintel, etc. Friends, building is a structure built up with material, and it consists of different types of structural member. It may be foundation, beam, column, slab. Now we study parts of building. Parts of building. A building can be divided into two main parts. One is called substructure and the other is superstructure. Superstructure. Friends, let's see what is structure, what is substructure, what is superstructure. First of all, we study about substructure. Substructure. Dear friends, substructure, the parts the parts of building the parts of building that is underneath, the ground level. Is called substructure. Dear friends, substructure are that part of building which is under the ground. It may be the part of building which are substructure, foundation, it may be footing, or it may be plinth beam. These three members of the structure are included in substructure. Now we study about superstructure. Superstructure. The parts of building. Superstructure is the part of building that is above the plinth level. The part of building that is above the plinth level is called superstructure. It may be superstructure may be the member which are included in superstructure are beam, column, slab, door, window, etc. These are the part of the superstructure. Superstructure is the part which are above the plinth level. It may be 1 story, 2 story, 3 story, so on. Substructure is the part of the building which are under the ground. It may be foundation, footing and plinth. Let's see here. I will clear it. This is the foundation. Foundation included foundation, the area which start from foundation to the ground level is called substructure. Substructure is the part of the building which are below the ground level is called substructure. Next, the above is the plinth level. From the plinth level, the superstructure is the part of the building which are above the plinth level. Substructure include footing, concrete PCC, foundation level. These all part of the building included in substructure. And the superstructure is the above the plinth level. This is plinth level. It may be wall, beam, column, slab, lintel, sunshade. These all are the part of superstructure. Friend, this is my video about building. If you like, please share, comments. Thank you.